You ready for a simple project? Tonight we're going to make little pumpkins out of these blocks. Hey friends, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I have a piece of drop cloth that I had gotten from Home Depot, huge piece of it. We're going to just cut a little strip, and then I'm going to roll it up and put it in my hands and kind of roll it so that we can get that nice distressed edge on all of them. So then when you unroll it, look at, it's got a nice frayed edge. Yay! All right, so then I'm going to take some water and some Spanish moss chalk paint, and I'm going to mix them. I want it super, super watery because we're going to put that drop cloth that we just did. I'm going to put that in there so that we can stain the drop cloth to make it look like it's a green. Hooray. Easy peasy. So then like I said, just take that strip, put it inside, just mix it around. You probably would do well to use gloves. I did not. And this part, yes, was messy. And, well, yeah, it's okay. My hands washed off fine. But, if you don't like getting messy, wear a pair of gloves for this part because you're going to be squeezing out that piece of drop cloth. And look at how pretty is that though, right? And all I do is let it dry. Now I have these wooden blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint them with this Waverly paint. It's a chalk paint. The color is pumpkin, obviously. And I'm going to just cover each and every one of them, all sides. I did 3. You don't have to do 3, but I like the number 3, so that's what I did. And there they are. All right, then I take some brown wax. Now, you don't have to do this part if you don't like the distressed primitive vibe, but I do. So I take a sponge, and I sponge on the brown wax, and holy does it make it look super cool. I use a sponge and I wipe off the excess. So you just apply it and then wipe it off. Easy peasy. I love the way it looks though. Look at how cool that is. Oh, this is such a super easy project. I love easy projects. Every once in a while, I just need something to make me smile and not have to work super hard for it. And this is that project. I love fall decorating. I don't know about you, but it is my favorite to decorate for. My favorite season is spring, but decorating wise, fall's got it hands down. All right, so anyways, then I'm going to take a cinnamon stick and I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. I would say it's probably about 1 inch or so wide, not wide, long. Then we're going to take that strip that we did earlier. It's all dry now, and I'm going to make a little knot, but don't close the knot yet because we're going to tie this onto our cinnamon sticks. Ta-da! Easy. Okay, so there's that, and I snug it up. And then what we're going to do is, well, obviously you want to trim the edges and make it as long as you want because those are our leaves for our pumpkin. Look at how cute. Already, I love it. All right, so then I'm going to put a nice amount of glue on our block. And don't worry, I know you're going to be like, oh, it's going to get all over the place. Don't worry, because when you do that, you're going to put your cinnamon stick on that. And then we're going to push down our fabric so that it also gets adhered with that glue. And it covers all of that excess. Cool, right? I know. Look at how fun. Are you kidding me? Look, I love it. And it was so easy. Look at how pretty. Oh, you can put them in a little cart like I did, or you could put them in a tiered tray, whatever you want. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspired you.